back to boat number 238. This is gonna be our last firework, and I have to film it on my mom's phone. So because my phone's dead, so all right, guys, this is gonna be our last firework. All right, guys, we did it. All right, we are done. Well, guys, this is over. Our fireworks are done. All of our fireworks are gone. All right, guys, I don't have time for the intro, so
Bye.
Sorry, that's my cousin. But anyways, I'm going to be ending this video right there. So, yeah, thanks for watching, and please subscribe. And I don't have time for the intro and the outro, sadly, because I'm filming on my mom's phone. So, see you later. Bye.